Est-ce que tu comprends?
To breathe a little bit. Our friend asked, I don't understand about love and what is love. Because when my parents got divorced and they left each other, they were yelling at each other and I couldn't understand why they were doing that and why they couldn't live together.
I'm going to answer in French or in English. I think because your parents have not had a chance to learn about true love. Maybe their parents have not taught them how to love. And now we have a chance to learn how to love. And we will not do like our parents. And if we know how to do it, if we know how to love, and then we will not suffer anymore, and we will be able to help our own parents. Many young people have done so. There are children who come to retreats and who learn how to love. And when they go home, they help their parents successfully. That has happened. We have, from time to time, organized retreats for children. 300, 400 children come together for a retreat of 5 days or 7 days. And during that time they learn how to breathe, how to take care of their emotion, of their fear, anger, and so on. They learn how to love themselves. They learn how to love other people. And when they go home, they can help their parents, and they can help their parents to reconcile with each other. That has happened a lot of times. So don't lose your hope. While you are in Plum Village, learn well, learn how to love. Otherwise, you will do exactly like your mother or father. You have to learn. Okay.